Most of the you are either using cosmetic brand powders or pharmacy ones in summer season in your body folds to absorb moisture and sweat and to reduce the friction. But do you know these all powders are comprised of either talc or cornstarch? Now what is talc? Talc is a naturally occurring mineral which is composed of magnesium, silicon, oxygen with hydroxyl group, and talc is known for being the softest mineral available on the earth, and that's why it is being used in all the powders. The same case goes with cornstarch. It is derived from corn, very soft in consistency and being used in all the powders. But if you'll apply these powders in summer season, they can paradoxically cause irritant contact dermatitis or allergic contact dermatitis, especially in patients with very dry and sensitive skin, or in those patients who sweat a lot in their body fold area, like on the neck area, on the underarm area, or on the groin area, or in kids in diaper area. And these all areas develop a lot of dryness, irritation, itching, and inflammation. Now, since talc contains silicon, which gets oxidized with oxygen and forms silica, and this silica can make your skin very dry, irritated, and inflamed. And sometimes talc can get contaminated with asbestos also, which can lead to breathing issues and sometimes ovarian cancer in female. And on the other hand, cornstarch provides a very good food for fungal outgrowth. And if you use these powders, then you can get a lot of fungal infection, means ringworm infection on your body, or athlete's foot, or nail fungus, or kid diaper fungal dermatitis. Don't ever use these powders in infants or younger kids, because if they will inhale it by mistake, it can lead to a lot of breathing issues in them. So if you really want to apply something in summer, then you should apply zinc oxide containing barrier creams in your body folds, especially in patients with dry and sensitive skin and in kids, because zinc has wound healing property and anti-inflammatory property, which is not the case with talc or cornstarch. And if you want to use these powders, you can sprinkle them just inside your shoes and little in minimal quantity inside your socks to prevent the sweat, so that they will not touch your foot.